Good morning. It was a cold one, but I don't think it was sub-zero. I left my water bottles out here and they didn't freeze overnight, although there's still plenty of snow on the ground. And I made a hot water bottle, which I kept down my jumper. So it was okay. Thank goodness, though, I have a warm showers host tonight, so I don't need to do this all over again. So it's about 45 kilometers down into Bonn. Putting on wet shoes is not ideal, but having a warm showers host tonight means that it's less important to keep a set of dry clothes, so I can wear my nice new fleecy leggings, which I discover have a pocket and everything. I have actually missed not having my spiral lock, and Philip had a spare one, so he was able to, well, I bought it off him for what he paid, but it means that now I can just quickly tie the bike up and run inside. I still have, you know, the big heavy duty one for longer trips, but this is fine for just outside a bakery or a supermarket, I think. Weckmann bitter? Look at this guy. Like a giant gingerbread man, but probably not ginger. Look at his little pipe. Is it icing sugar? Or terracotta? I'm about to break my teeth on this. I think that will have been the last range of hills I'll see until England now. Pretty flat through the remainder of Germany, tiny bit of the Netherlands, Belgium, and then a sniff of France before the ferry. This is a shared bike pedestrian walkway, although I really don't like cycling on bricks. It makes my tyre direction go weird. Christmas markets are coming, but I'm going to miss them. I would have liked to have spent longer in Bonn, but time got away from me today. So I'm on the way to my host for tonight. They already know me from social media, which I always find a little bit weird, because instead of it being, you know, two strangers having a chat, it becomes a bit parasocial. But I'm sure it's going to be lovely, and I'll be very glad to be indoors after last night. Well, he warned me there'd be a climb at the end. He wasn't wrong.